Welcome. If you're looking to expand your Instagram audience and let the world see your posts, stories, and reels, switching to a public profile is the way to go. Whether you're building a personal brand, promoting a business, or simply sharing your creativity, I'll walk you through the updated process step by step. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Tap that to head to your profile page. This is where all the magic happens. Now direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines stacked together. This is your menu button. Tap it to open a list of options. Scroll down this menu until you find Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and select it. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a section labeled Account Privacy. This is the gateway to controlling who sees your content. Tap it, and you'll land on a screen with a toggle labeled Private Account. If your account is currently private, the toggle will be blue and switched on. To go public, simply tap that toggle. It'll turn gray, and Instagram will display a confirmation message explaining the change. That's it. Your profile is now public. Anyone can find your posts through search, explore your content without following you, and interact with your reels or stories. Keep in mind, though, switching to public means your existing posts become visible to everyone instantly. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow the same steps and toggle the private account option back on. While you're here, take a moment to explore Instagram's additional privacy settings. Even with a public profile, you can control who comments on your posts or sends you messages. For creators, consider switching to a professional account for deeper insights into your audience and content performance. Remember, a public profile opens doors to new connections and opportunities. Share boldly, engage often, and watch your community grow. Ready to take the leap? Open Instagram now and make the switch. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more social media tips. See you next time.